When I am searching for a job, what is important? Should I go for a job which is stable with relatively less perk because it gives me peace of mind? Or should I search and hunt for a job that only provides me better salary? Their working hours could be tremendously harsh, their working environment could be rude, they might require to keep moving from one place to another. It's a transferable job. Or if you are ready to switch from one job to another and regularly in your life every 6 months or 1 year you are ready for a new job hunt, in that case you can think about the option of going for a better salary. Another important cause is you require immediately certain funds. It could be a medical emergency or any personal emergency because of which you are in immediate need of funds. Then definitely in the initial rounds you can go for a better salary, but in long run definitely a stable job would give you better satisfaction and a blissful life.